In 2008, SCDA architects were commissioned by HDB to explore new possibilities in public housing design in Singapore. The result is the absolutely stunning SkyTerrace at Dawson that is recognized internationally for winning multiple design awards since its completion in 2015. Now let's take a look at the unit. Hello everyone, this is Dan from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. Today we'll be looking at a high floor, tastefully designed unit at Block 92, SkyTerrace at Dawson. This unit is an 893 square feet unit that has 3 bedrooms originally. The walls of the 3rd bedroom has been taken down to extend the space for the living and dining room. Gatherings with the families in the evening after dinner, you will appreciate how luxurious and comfortable the extended living area is. The bomb shelter has been creatively concealed by a decorated door that doubles up as a utility storage. What I love most about this house is the amazing views that you enjoy from both the living, the dining rooms, and of course all the bedrooms as they face the same direction. Full height windows allow plenty of natural light into the bedroom. Bathrooms are fitted with branded accessories. Retire into the night in your spacious master ensuite, equipped with built-in floor-to-ceiling wardrobes. Cook up a storm in your enclosed kitchen and dedicated service yard for your laundry needs. SkyTerrace is located in Queenstown, a short walk to Queenstown MRT station. Supermarkets and eateries are just across the road. For more choices, Dawson Place is a mere 5 minutes walk away. Thank you for watching this video. This is your opportunity now to own and live in one of the most sought after estates in Singapore. Contact me now to view this unit before it is taken up.